This is Access Better Thinking with Allegis. This episode is all about our formed in-place foam gasketing. Take a look. They're permanent gaskets fixed to latching applications to keep the inside of your enclosures free of dirt and water. This feature is available in most of our quarter turns as well as our Vector Series product line. The foam is added to the application in liquid form, which is a mix of a polyurethane base and an activator. After being precisely dispensed by robotics, within minutes, the mixture nearly doubles in size and turns into foam with a tough exterior, preventing the gasket from being torn or damaged during assembly. With our formed in-place foam gaskets, you eliminate the time-consuming task of manually applying them. And since it's permanent, you'll never have to worry about a gasket getting lost or forgotten. And an added plus is the polyurethane it's made from is environmentally friendly and free of solvents. If you'd like to learn even more about our formed in-place foam gasketing, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We'll be in touch with you soon. Thanks for watching.